In this video, we'll show you how to capture information into the Zotero personal library. So we will start by saying this is the library web page, and we've already downloaded the software called Zotero that sits here. And you can see that there are folders for different subjects, and some folders even have subfolders for more nuanced approaches. But we're going to be in the folder called Demo for this case. So it's sitting in the background. So now we will go in to a database called Articles and Core Journals, called Academic Search Complete. We'll do a search for a topic. And we'll get results. Now normally you would go up to the relevance and change it to date newest and do additional searching to narrow down your results. But for now, just want to show you how you can capture particular articles. So let's say this article might look good. We would click on the title and find out that there's more information that we like. Okay, and then since we've already loaded Zotero onto this browser, you can see up at the top there's this little icon. That means whatever I see on this web page, I want to save it to Zotero. And remember, we're in the demo folder. So if I click that, on the bottom right here, it shows you that it's downloading this particular item. So one time, one item, there you go. If we go back to the results list, and there's multiple items, what happens is Zotero is smart enough to know. So if we go up to here and we click on it this time, it will say you have multiple items you want to download. Which ones would you like to download immediately? So we'll pick the ones we want, and then we'll say OK, and multiple items will be downloaded into the tool. And so then you can go to the Zotero tool down at the bottom here, and here you'll see that we have downloaded now into our database these tools. Now sometimes the record is simply the bibliographic record. There may be notes you can add yourself, keywords. There may be tags you want to add to it so that you can refer to it by subjects, concepts. You can even relate two different articles to each other. Okay? But for now, the important thing is that once you have these items in here, if you go to the search option here, you can actually do a keyword search. So if we say reverse, there's an item that includes reverse either in the bibliographic information or the full text article. Okay? And now you have been able to quickly find that. And if you click into it, you would actually have it appear in your web browser again. So you're actually handling information you've downloaded and it's searchable. Not only that, but you can actually then link this information into your word processor. So if you're writing an article, you can go up to the Zotero at the top of your word processor and add a citation where you want it, and then automatically create a bibliography based upon the information you have in your tool, your Zotero tool. So this is a quick way to capture information into Zotero. You could just as easily capture a web page. So let's just say we do just a simple web search and we find a page that we want to capture. So here we have a web page and we want to capture the information here. Once again, the little Zotero icon at the top will allow us to capture this snapshot of this web page, and it will then show into our Zotero. So not only do you capture full text articles and citations from articles, but you can capture web pages as well, and then there's the snapshot. So if you click it again, up comes the record of that web page at the time when you captured it. Okay? So it's a very powerful tool, Zotero, that lets you capture information from the web or from databases and then have your own personal knowledge database, which will link into the papers you're writing. For more information, contact the librarian.